The Gardner Pet Gravity Feeder is a two-in-one solution that combines a food feeder and water dispenser, constructed from high-quality polypropylene and stainless steel for durability and pet health. Its large capacity allows it to hold 3 liters of water and up to 46 ounces of food, making it ideal for pet owners who need a reliable feeding system while away from home. This feeder utilizes an automatic gravity feeding mechanism, ensuring a consistent supply of food and water without requiring external power sources or complex setups. The water dispenser features an adjustable base and a spiral valve design, providing stability and preventing spills, which helps maintain a clean feeding area. The food feeder is designed with a large outlet to minimize food jams and is easily cleaned by removing the stainless steel bowl, though it is intended for dry food only. With non-slip rubber pads on its base, the feeder remains securely in place, and its straightforward assembly and maintenance make it a practical choice for pet owners.